Yes, sir.
What do you know about Birsa Munda?
So, Birsa Munda is a tribal freedom fighter from the region of means from he's from born in Jharkhand near the border of Odisha and Jharkhand, means that Santhal belt.
Santhal belt.
Yes, sir.
And who were the Santhals?
So Santhals are the tribals living in that area.
Which area?
So Chota Nagpur belt.
Chota Nagpur. What were the topographical conditions for Chota Nagpur Pathar?
So it is a plateau region, and about the soil, it has a red and laterite soil, and rivers like Koel, Sank, these are flowing in that area.
You have completed your BTech in 2017. What have you been doing since then?
Mm, sorry, sir, not BTech. I had completed BSc.
BSc.
Yes, sir. So since then, I am preparing for the defense forces.
Preparing for
Means CDS and CAPF.
CDS and CPO.
Yes.
Have you ever recommended by commission?
No, sir.
Not in CDS as well.
No.
What might be the reason because of which you might not have been selected?
So I think normally we are from civil background. So the personality or the livelihood means the personality that they need, which inculcate from the childhood due to their regular activities. I think that is missing.
Whether the cricket is coming under the Olympic Games?
No, sir.
Why?
So actually there are some criteria which means games are included in Olympics, like in how many countries it has been playing, how much it is popular. So cricket is not so much popular, so I think that's the reason they haven't included in it.
What is the effective pedagogy?
Sorry, sir.
Pedagogy, have you heard about it?
No, sir.
Teaching methodology.
Okay, yes, sir.
So, do you know about the special requirement for effective pedagogy?
No, sir, I have no idea.
Because it's your special area of interest.
Yes, I have been teaching normally in giving home tuitions, but I have not much experience that.
But after being selected in Central Armed Police Forces, I think hardly you will fulfill all these hobbies. Then what will you do?
Sir, I can means go for teaching. Like teaching is not require any professional. I can teach my teammates, or wherever I will post it, I can share my knowledge to the local population.
Can you tell me about something about the NCC?
Yes, so NCC is a youth organization which was established.
What's its full form?
So National Cadet Corps.
Yes, please explain about it.
So it is basically made a youth organization to inculcate the discipline and other means qualities which are required for the nation building. I can say it is the first step towards the joining any uniform services.
Does the Jharkhand also faces the problem of internal security challenges?
Yes, sir.
What are those challenges?
So the main challenge is with the left wing extremism.
Other than that?
So other than that, not so much like communal violence and these are not so much, but the main is left wing extremism.
What might be the probable reason behind that, and the government might have failed in?
So the main reason is that it is a part of Red Corridor area. It has a vast expanse of forest area that Saranda forest region, and also it has a rich demography of tribal population. So these are some of the reasons.
And why the government government has failed in managing these issues?
Their government has been approaching in a two way, like security and developmental. So security aspect is going good, but I think developmental activities is not implemented in the way it is to be, like due to some local aspects, like due to corruption or something, like that the rights and the entitlement that should be reached to them is not reaching. That's why that they are continuously joining the Naxal cadres.
Have you ever met any assistant commandant?
No, sir.
So, what is the source of inspiration for you?
Sir, I am living in Odisha Sundargarh, which was in past it was a part of Naxal affected area. Right now it is not, but it is in borders with West Simbhum and also with area of Chhattisgarh. So I have many of my friends and relatives who had shared their experience being hardship in a Naxal affected area. So it has been a strong desire that if I were to get a chance, I would like to solve this problem. So that's why I decided to put CRPF as my first preference.
Suppose you would be appointed as an assistant commandant.
Yes, sir.
So, what would be the rank below you?
So inspectors, sub-inspectors, and constables.
And above you?
So above, right from assistant commandant is deputy commandant, commandant, then DIG, IG, and ADG, then DG.
Are you thorough with all these?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Prabhat, tell me about something Jagannath Puri Rath Yatra.
Yes, sir. Sir, Jagannath Puri Rath Yatra is one of the largest crowd festival in I think the whole world. I think it is being celebrated during the month of July. Actually, it is according to Hindi calendar, but it comes near to July, first week of July. And in this month, actually, the Lord Jagannath, after being means Lord previous to the Rath Yatra, Lord Jagannath fall ill. So after a quarantine of 14 days, means after a quarantine of some days, he come out to visit with his devotees, and from the temple of Puri, he goes to his maternal aunt's home. That is the yatra.
Tell me about the Chilka Lake.
Yes, sir. So Chilka Lake is a lagoon, saltwater lagoon, and it is also a Ramsar site, and it is a site for breeding of most of the migratory birds, and it is also a tourism destination.
Turtles, जानते हैं आप?
Yes, sir.
Tell me about it.
So olive ridley turtles are sorry, sir.
Okay, tell me about Bhitarkanika.
Yes, sir. Bhitarkanika is a mangrove area in Odisha, and it is famous for saltwater crocodile.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
What are the major sources of problems of the Odisha?
So first of all, left-wing extremism. Second is, sir,
The problem will to mask.
Are you comfortable with the mask?
yes, sir. So first left-wing extremism, and second, sir, coal mafias and like mineral mafias due to mineral rich area, and also underdevelopment means problem of malnutrition and undernourished in the areas of KBK region, that Kalahandi, Balangir and Koraput region.
Okay. Can you tell me the major social program which is launched by the government of Odisha?
Yes, sir, some of I can remember, like Kalia scheme, in the lines of Kisan means to giving that benefit transfer to the farmers, and sorry, I am remembering this one only.
Okay. Right now elections are going in
Yeah.
Bihar.
Yes, sir.
Why we use police force, central armed police forces in elections? Why not the local police?
So for election in the area like Bihar, sir, there is a large population, so it is not easy to handle such a large crowd only by the civil police. So the CAPF is there to assist them in managing crowd, and also to give security to the candidates, because some of the areas are left wing extremism areas, and also uh, because
Tell me about election commission.
election commission. So election commission is a constitutional body which is there to conduct Lok Sabha, means election in the at the center and election at the state, Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha.
Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha. Suppose that we want to remove chief election commissioner. What is the proceeding?
So it is same as that of removed Supreme Court judge. That is, we have to go through the parliamentary process.
And what about other commissioners?
Other commissioners can be removed by the. It doesn't need that process. It can be removed by normal executive action.
मन हुआ तो हटा सकते हैं.
नॉट सो इजीली, इतने आसानी से तो नहीं हटा पाएंगे, मगर उसके लिए कॉन्क्रीट रीजन चाहिए होगा.
कैसे वही मैं पूछ रहा हूँ.
मुझे अभी पता नहीं सर.
You have appeared in NDA, CDS, and now CAPF.
यस सर.
What is the main goal? What you want to be?
So I want to join uniform forces.
Uniform force.
Yes sir.
Then why not state police?
Yes sir, I am appearing for civil services
Civil services.
to join IPS.
Yes. And what if we remove IPS from CAPF
Yes sir.
and cadre officer should be a DG? How will it impact the force?
So it will not impact so much, but as IPS are working with the state, working with the civil for a long time, after because they are deputed to CAPF after, means at the DG level, so they had the experience of handling the so much of civil population. So this is the only advantage what we are having when IPS is means handling the means commanding. Other than this, cadre officers are best in handling the field duties as well as their means own work.
Your father has been working in railway.
Yes sir.
There is a controversy or debate, exactly not controversy, that railway should not be privatized. What is your opinion?
So actually it is seen in a different way that railway is being privatized, but railway as a operation is not being privatized. Only the services is being privatized, like running private trains. the operation is still with the railways, but the services is given to the private sector. So it is going to give advantage to the customers, to the consumers, that they are getting a good service. And about disadvantage, sir, it may lack because railway is giving too much subsidies to its passengers. So when it will be privatized, so that subsidy will decrease, and it is going to means benefit to the person who is having money.
Okay, Mr. Prabhat, please tell me the name of some active militant group in the state of Jammu and Kashmir.
So Lashkar-e-Taiba, Hizbul Mujahideen, like this.
Only two groups are there.
I am remembering like 12 Lashkar-e Mujahideen, Al-Qaeda.
Are you sure about they are actively working?
Yes, there are so many. I'm not exactly sure, but these are, yes,
These are.
and also some more.
And some active militant group in Northeast.
Yes, these there are also.
In Northeast.
In like Ulfa is there. PLA something is there. No, sir, that is different. That is PLA, not that one. I'm sorry, that is wrong. I'm little bit confused. Ulfa is one there.
Ulfa is there. What is the full form of Ulfa?
Sorry, sir, I didn't remember right now.
You have not gone for the
I've gone.
internal security of the country.
I'm gone through, but I didn't remember right now.
Can you tell me some initiatives of the government of India which is basically started for controlling or mitigating the impact of left-wing extremist activities in the country?
Yes, sir. Basically, government is going for two-way approach: security and developmental. So, in case of security, like initiatives like Cobra Battalion, Bastaria Battalion, and security-related expenditure for increasing their expenditure to the in security aspects, and also assisting the state police. In case of developmental, they are going for increasing the infrastructures like road, schools, and these, and also increasing mobile towers, so that the connectivity will be good. So I think these are some.
Have you heard about the Salwa Judul?
Yes, sir.
What exactly it is?
So actually, it is a informal institution that the locals have made to protect themselves from the violent activities of the Naxals. So they are like a gang. Normally we can kill. They have created a gang so that they can protect themselves, because these are only for that larger the person who are zamindar or like politicians who need protection of life. So they are making like.
Last question, Mr. Prabhat.
Yes, sir.
Tell me why we should not select you as an assistant commander.
Sir, if you get a better candidate than me, then you can reject me, because I think the best persons should lead the force.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.